Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A03s, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, navigate into the settings, scroll down to general management, actually not my bad, general management, we're looking for the battery and device care, and then storage, and from here you want to tap on the three dots, go to advanced, tap on your SD card, and you will find format option. Once you tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the card, and if there is anything that you'd like to keep, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently. But assuming you have already made a backup or you don't want to, click on Format SD card. This will instantly begin the process, which only takes a couple seconds, at which point, when it's finished, the card is ready to be used once again, as it is right now. So click on Done and you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.